I am afraid of the dark. I have been since I was small. Ghosts groan outside my window in the middle of the night and creak the floorboards in the hallway. Science explains this away. Branches swaying in the wind, the thermal contraction of wood as it cools. And I believe these rational explanations. I am a scientist. And yet, there are still moments when my brain refuses to listen, when irrational fears crowd into my head. Like everyone, there are times, for me it's being alone in the dark, when my subconscious runs the show, gathering up my anxieties and mixing them with thousands of years of human wonder and superstition about what exists beyond the physical realm. In the light of day, it seems to me that what gives the subconscious such power, why we believe that a ghost might actually be at the end of the bed, is that our irrational brain is often put in charge when the threat is unknown or invisible. We saw this during the COVID-19 pandemic, when large numbers of people declared the virus was a hoax and that the television coverage of the millions of people dying around the world was faked. Others declared that the vaccine was a plot to inject an invisible microchip into their bodies to control their minds. This conspiracy theory involved another invisible power: 5G mobile phone signals. The rational majority scoffed at this, but carried on harbouring their own irrational beliefs: karma, lucky numbers, horoscopes, gods. I don't think people are stupid for having irrational beliefs. Quite the reverse. I think irrationality is an intrinsic part of our human nature. It is a response to the unknown, to living in a complex universe where the agents of cause and effect are hard to detect. And in truth, we are blind to most things. Our world is seemingly comprised of stuff we can touch and feel, such as chairs, books, and cups of tea. Yet there is a whole class of matter that not only surrounds us, but is invisible. Gas. Take a breath, and you can feel the material reality of air. Its invisibility doesn't make it insignificant, though. It has substance. An average person inhales 12 kilograms of air per day. In outer space, it is invisible gas that creates the stars. On Earth, it makes our planet habitable. We are enveloped by it. We breathe it, and it saturates us. Fumes, vapours, dampness, scents, and toxins all affect our moods, health, and behaviour. And yet, for most of our lives, we overlook the wonders of gases. Each breath goes unnoticed. This book is about how the behaviour of gases and the many different types of vapours and whiffs given off by the earth and living organisms enliven, intoxicate, and frighten us. These are the gases that first occupied this earth and have been here ever since. They are ancient and important, and their effects were first interpreted as the work of the gods, of ancient spirits, or the undead. So what are these substances really? Physically, they are the stuff we breathe, the stuff that bubbles up in a glass of beer, the stuff that makes flowers smell sweet, the stuff that keeps us alive in hospitals, and, yes, the stuff that makes us laugh uncontrollably. Most gases are invisible, odourless, and colourless. Even methane, the gas that heats our homes, is undetectable to human senses. The reason you think you can smell it on occasion is because a smelly chemical called methane thiol is added so that leaks can be detected. Over thousands of years, we have pieced together the physics and chemistry that underpin the actions of these gases and given them names like hydrogen, smoke, carbon dioxide, steam, air, and hurricanes. Our theories of the atomic nature of gases and their ability to flow, expand, and glow explain many of the folktale phenomena. So does our understanding of how invisible gases can intoxicate, cause hallucinations, and even kill us.